Hello everyone. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use the V-lookup function in Excel. V-lookup stands for vertical lookup. It's a function that makes Excel search for a certain value in a column in order to return a value from a different column in the same row. For instance, looking at our data set, let's assume I want to look for the product type, a certain customer with a known customer ID purchased. For instance, customer with customer ID 016 purchased canvas. Now let's assume I have a large data set and I want to look up for the product type that a certain customer with a known customer ID purchased. Then the VLOOKUP function will help me to achieve that. So how do we go about that? In cell J3 and J4, I have customer ID and the product type. So I'll be looking for the product type, a certain customer with a known customer ID purchase, and that will be displayed in K3 and K4. So at K4, I will type the function. Like I've told you in previous video, whenever you want to type a function in Excel, you start with equal to the V-lookup. Here is a description of what the function does. Looks for a value in the leftmost column of a table and then returns a value in the same row from a column you specify. By default, the table must be sorted in ascending order. So let's click on VLOOKUP, then open bracket. Now the first thing we do is we'll specify the lookup value, that is the value we want to search. Now the lookup value will be displayed in K3, which is the customer ID. So I click on cell K3, comma, then the table array, which is the range of the entire data set, and that will be A1 to G101, which is the last cell that we have. So I can easily highlight everything. Okay. So once that is done, I press comma. Then the next thing is the column index number. The column index number is the column number of that match from the known value. That is, we are looking for the product type of a known customer ID, and we notice that product type is in the third column to customer ID. So the column index number will be 3. Let's assume what we are looking for is product category. Then the column index number will be 4 because product category is in the 4th column to customer ID. Then press comma, and then we have two options, either true or false. True means approximate match, while false means exact match. In this lesson we are going to be working with the exact match. So I click on the exact match, gives me false. Now then here we have not available. The reason why we have not available is because I have not specified the customer ID want to look for the product type. So let's assume I want to look for the product type of customer with ID 21. Can just come here and type 021. Then the product type will be displayed, that is customer with customer ID 21, bought and cashier. And let's look at it on our table. Okay, yes, now you can see customer ID 21, bought and cashier. Let's assume I want to look for what another customer bought. You can say customer ID 097. What does he or she buy? Underwear. So this is how the lookup function works in Excel. And there are other lookup functions too that we have. We have the H lookup, we have the X lookup. We can explore that on our own. Thank you for watching this video.